Hello, I am calling you from the science desk. Welcome to the Alan Show. How I ditched the social media spiral in 3 simple steps. I deleted Twitter and Facebook from my phone. My pesky little smart device is always nearby, usually less than 3 feet away. Having social media apps on my phone made it too easy to unlock and scroll whenever I wanted. Every time I picked up my phone, whether it be to check the weather, reply to an email, or change the song I was listening to, I would usually end up giving in to temptation and checking an app or two. Removing those inviting boxes from my handheld device means it's harder to access the platforms. In turn, checking social media becomes more of a conscious choice. After deleting the apps from my phone, I made an unwritten rule to allow myself an hour each day to check them from my computer. I believe social media sites have their value. They're the place I go to hear from friends I wouldn't otherwise keep in touch with. They're where I learn about new job opportunities and connect with people, both friends and strangers. Plus, the memes are good for a laugh, sometimes. I don't want to banish the platforms from my life altogether. I just want to massively restrict my usage. Each day, usually around late afternoon, I give myself 1 hour to catch up on Twitter and Facebook. I sift through what's going on and what people are talking about. Then I close the browser and leave it at that for the rest of the evening. In holding myself accountable to this time limit, I'm also getting in some self-discipline practice. Since I couldn't click on the apps as easily, I found myself consuming more nourishing content, like books, podcasts, and well-written articles. Instead of learning about sensationalist COVID-19 updates from unknown sources on Twitter, I started checking trusted news sites and listening to important press conferences. Without the apps, I have more time to dedicate to meaningful content. I'm finishing more books than ever before and making my way through my podcast queue. I'm consuming content with substance, and my mental well-being is thanking me for it.